Hello, children. Welcome to your social studies class. Today, we are going to start a new chapter that is our Constitution, in which we will learn about the Constitution. Now, we all know that India got independence on 15th August 1947. ये तो सबको पता है. And after independence, we needed a system to regulate and ensure a better life of the people. सबके लिए एक अच्छी life मिले. So, to create such a system, around 300 people from different parts of the country formed a constituent assembly. एक constituent assembly बनाई गई. And in this constituent assembly, there were 15 women as well. तो 15 औरतें भी थीं इसमें. Right. Now what happened next? The members of this assembly were from different backgrounds, religions, caste, beliefs, political ideology and professions. सब professions के लोग थे यहाँ पे. And all of them came together, debated, discussed all the important issues. सारे issues, सारे principles discuss किए गए इसमें. And who was the president? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of this assembly. He is Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president. Now, it had 22 committees and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairperson in the middle, sitting here. He was the chairperson of the drafting committee. Right. Now, do you know that this process of making the constitution took the time of about how many years? 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. So, it took around 2 years, more than 2 years. There were intense discussions to finalize this full document. पूरा करने के लिए से. And during these discussions, the most important thing to be ensured was the protection of the right of the people, लोगों के rights के बारे में. And originally it was written in Hindi and in English. So as you can see, Hindi, English दोनों में लिखा गया था. But it was later translated in different languages. सब languages में translate कर दिया गया. And at present, you can find your constitution on the internet in all the official languages of India. सारी languages में मिलता है ये. The constitution was ready and adopted on 26th November 1949 and we celebrate this day as the Constitution Day. से हम Constitution Day मनाते हैं. And on the 26th of January 1950, as we all know, our constitution came into force and we celebrate this day as Republic Day. इसीलिए हम इसे Republic Day celebrate करते हैं. So let us come together and deeply know that we are able to make our life and country a better place to live for everyone out here, right? So I hope you all must have understood this much. Thank you, take care and bye-bye. Please do read.